I want all of you to be safe, and that's why give me your attention for next 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes and we'll deliver you important information that might help you and your kids to stay safe. National Institute of Drug Abuse has informed that the reason of being addiction to drug has nothing to do with the morale or the willpower of an individual. So next time when we blame an individual's willpower or the moral compass for being a drug addict, give it a second thought because the research does not agree with it. In reality, drug addiction is a way more complex problem and disease, and quitting usually takes more than just good intentions or a stronger will. Drugs change the brain in ways that makes quitting hard, even for those who wants to quit it sincerely. It is like a chronic disease that is compulsive in nature and difficult to control. The initial decision to take drug is voluntary for most people, no denying that. But repeated drug use can lead to brain changes that challenges an addicted person's self-control and interfere with their ability to resist intense urges to take drugs. Most of the time, these affects the brain's reward circuit. Reward circuits by producing euphoria as well as flooding it with the chemical messenger dopamine. This excitement and the reward system interferes and motivates a person to keep repeating the drug or the behavior which is making the reward circuit euphoric. As the person continues to use drugs, the brain adapts by reducing the ability of cell in the reward circuit to respond to the drug use. This is the defensive mechanism of the brain which is now kicking in. This reduces the high that the person feel compared to the high they felt when they first took the drug, and this effect is known as tolerance. It's a defensive mechanism of your brain, of your body. But the person now starts taking more of the drug to try and achieve the same high, and every time he starts taking more drug and more quantity. So what are the factors, or what are the few factors which creates an addiction of drug? Biology, gender, ethnicity, and the presence of other mental disorders may also influence risk for drug use and addiction. Surrounding, a person's environment includes many different influences, maybe from family and friends to economic status to the general quality of life, can drive him and then will keep him addicted to drugs. What are the symptoms? How to identify in few steps that the person is now addicted to drug? Spending money on the drug even though you can't afford it, taking larger amount of the drug over a longer period of time than you intend to, and then continuously failing in your attempt to stop using that drug. Over time, needing more of the drug to get the same effect, doing things to get the drug that you normally would not do, such as stealing. Is there any safe way out? It is important to understand that addiction is treatable and can be successfully managed. But people who are recovering from an addiction will be at the risk for relapse for years and possibly for their whole lives. Research shows that combining addiction treatment medicines with behavioral therapy ensures the best chance of success for most patients. I hope you liked the video. If you have liked it, do appreciate me by putting into your comments.